Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you create station on your Pandora app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Pandora app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on my collection here, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on create station here, then it's going to show for you list like this, and here can you pick a few artists you want to add, like so here like Drake and Bad Bunny here. So for example, just here or DJ Khaled here. So then you just click here on create like Tupac. So I'm going to click here, and you click here on create station here, and it's going to create with you here like this. So dark place here Tupac and Tupac, then you click here on play, then it's going to play with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,